How to link Aliexpress to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link Aliexpress to Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up Shopify right here, and then what I want you to do is simply go to your apps right here, and in apps you will open up your Shopify app store. So here we are, and what we need to do is we need to search for an app known as DSearch, or what you can do is you can just search for AliExpress. So it will actually take you there. All right, so you can see this is the application we want to go for. DSearch AliExpress Dropshipping. It will allow me to add AliExpress to my Shopify. Right here, I'm going to click on Add App, and it will take you right here. So I'm going to log into my DSearch. Make sure that you create an account here on DSearch Dropshipping. It allows you to add AliExpress products. Now it will just like log in. And here we have AliExpress products given, and what I can do now is I downloaded it from Shopify App Store. So if I go to my Shopify and if I go to apps, it will actually show you that it has AliExpress. So now I can just go to these series and select all of these different AliExpress products and add them to my Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.